is going on, lunatics? If you're listening to me, then you're making money. If you're doing what I'm telling you is the right step, you're profiting. If you're doing what I'm telling you, you're also using that in order to accumulate more Luna Classic in order for a bigger bag when the time comes, and you probably feel about that. But if you're not, if you're one of those people who has not yet joined the Believes train, then you're missing out. But let's talk about it. Price action right here. As you guys see right now, 24 hours ago, 48 hours ago, what were we talking about? We were talking about buying at the value area low, getting yourself a spike up, and guess what? Value area low up to here. What's the percentage gain on that? Potentially, if we're just using the lines, 4.39 using 10x leverage, that's about a 44%, 43% gain. And then we play it all the way back down to the value to the value area low from the point of control. That's 2.8. Again, with 10x leverage, that's 28%. And then we got this little fake out here. Now, here's the thing. You might be trapped in this position if you did listen to me. If you saw this reversal start to take place, maybe you took a smaller profit and then didn't hold on to it. Never hold on to your bag. Should be one of the things I maybe if I didn't tell you that. Never hold on to your bag for too long. Remember, you're doing swing and futures trading. You're just trying to make a buck off of something. This is not a long-term risk-based play unless you've decided that that's what it is for you. And in fairness, at a level like this, at a level like this, at a level like this down here, that is a fair risk-based play. However, the market is such that we probably are going to see some lower prices as well, and money flow still negative. It was positive for a little while. We had a nice little spike here. We saw the money flow turn to green just a little bit right there. But we got a green candle right here saying that there would probably be a reversal. And then immediately we got this red dot, meaning the price was coming down. And of course, it followed suit that it came down. The market is just not really holding up very well. So far, about $7 billion came out of the market in the last overnights. We are a few hours away from the Fed making an announcement of a basis point hike today in the United States. That's probably going to not end very well. Now, it's probably priced in, by the way, but it still won't resonate with the rest of the broader market. Now, I would say that even though we're at the point of control here right now with USTC, I like that the flow is way down here. Generally speaking, when it gets down here into this range, that causes a big move to the upside. So if you look at this green dot right here, if the green dot mints right here, then you could be looking at a nice little move and maybe just potentially about a 4% gain off of that, putting that in the range of into this value area high. And perhaps you can long that and then short that back down and make a little bit of money. Now, if you're using that money, the important part is if you're using that money to buy more and accumulate more Luna Classic, then you're doing it right. You're making the dream happen. And that's what we're talking about. So let's move on now. We've checked the chart. Let's go check and see if there's any governance proposals here that we're looking at. Luna airdrop, luckily, asking Binance to start burning USTC. Sure. Ask them. See what happens. Stop minting and reminting of USTC. This is a repost. Now, this is passing at this point. I do think that the support has swelled up. And again, yesterday, remember, I was a little confused. I told you, man, don't do that one. But actually, this one was a good one. It was the other one that's just ridiculous. I mean, this is what children do. This is not what grown-ups do. Would you ask them if they'll do it? It's really ridiculous. Oh, here we go. Not passing. There we go. Guys, it's embarrassing. That is embarrassing to have to do that. Let's check the stake over here. My delegations are 1,240. I have 12 million staked Luna Classic. Staking rewards are up to $18 right now. Generally speaking, I move that over here into this, and then I do something with it. What I was doing for a long time was I was moving it between USTC and Luna Classic as needed, but the value of it really wasn't that big, so I stopped doing that. But if you remember, and you've been with me on the journey, then I'm up 21% right now because I had exactly 10 million lunc when I started. So tell the delegations here, 2.3 million, maybe. Let's call it that. So good times. But following through here, the volume 8.8 continuing to go down. USTC has more volume than Luna Classic. Now, you don't need volume, by the way. I should point this out. You don't need volume in order to trade sideways or go down. You need volume in order to pump. And volume is good both ways, because that also creates a dump. But just a difficult sort of market here right now. I don't really have anything else over here. Diamond Hands, he's not leaving. Not a lot going on right now, waiting for that next big announcement. So, guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. It's easy to trade. You just have to do it. Sign up at the MEXC down below. You can do futures trading over there for Luna Classic, and that helps me, and that also helps you if you just follow the simple procedures. It's not financial advice. My name is Believes. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again.